Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important topics out there: how to age healthy. As we get older, our bodies and minds go through a lot of changes, and it can be challenging to know how to best take care of ourselves. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. First and foremost, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health, building muscle mass, and preventing chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Regular exercise also helps boost your mood and energy levels, and can even help to improve your cognitive function. To get the most out of your exercise routine, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. And don't be afraid to mix it up. Try different types of exercise like yoga, tai chi, or even dancing to keep things interesting and challenging for your body. Next, let's talk about diet. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining physical and mental well-being as you age. As you get older, your body's nutrient needs change, and it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods that will provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function properly. This includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Eating a variety of different foods will help to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients you need. Avoid processed foods and foods high in sugar and saturated fat, as these can contribute to chronic health conditions. Staying socially active and engaged is also important as you age. Studies have shown that social connections are crucial for maintaining good mental and emotional health, so make time to spend with friends and family, join a club or group, or volunteer in your community. Not only will this help to keep you mentally and emotionally healthy, but it can also provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's also essential to pay attention to your sleep, as quality sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, and establish a regular sleep routine to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, including weight gain, mood swings, and even an increased risk of chronic diseases. Managing stress is also crucial, as chronic stress can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, depression, and anxiety. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or journaling. And it's essential to take care of your mental health and well-being, and managing stress is a big part of that. Now, let's talk about one of the most important things you can do for your brain: keeping it active and engaged. Challenge your brain by learning new skills, reading, doing puzzles, or playing games. Keeping your mind active and engaged can help stave off age-related cognitive decline and keep your brain sharp. And last but not least, don't forget to have regular checkups with your doctor. Have a physical exam, blood pressure, and cholesterol check at least once a year. And quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption to reduce the risk of chronic health conditions. Regular checkups and screenings can help you catch health problems early and prevent them from becoming more serious. By following these tips, you can help ensure that you age in the healthiest way possible. Remember, aging is a journey, and it's never too late to start taking steps to improve your health and well-being. So, don't wait, start taking action today. Stay informed, stay active, and most importantly, stay positive. With the right mindset and a healthy lifestyle, you can age gracefully and enjoy all the benefits that come with it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Remember, your health is in your hands, so take charge and make the most of every day. If you have any questions or would like more information on aging healthy, please leave a comment below or check out our website for more resources. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and helpful videos, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.